guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Jordan Stay Loyal 2. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. And let's go. So today we've got a look at the Jordan Stay Loyal 2. This is the second edition. I'm not saying it's Stay Loyal to someone or whatever. But we got this in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's the US 8.5. Boxing, and here they are. So these are really a lifestyle kind of sneaker. By the looks of it, you can play basketball in them because of the traction patterning, but we'll get there in all that details. If you look at the whole color scheme, it reminds me of the New York Knicks, and I don't think Michael Jordan was the biggest fan of the Knicks, and so he liked playing in Madison Square Garden though, just to upset them, which he usually tended to do. But yeah, that is my thoughts on the colorway, and we'll look into all the details right now for you. So we'll start with the outsole. So it's an all rubber outsole. You can see all the herringbone traction patterning there for you. It's great with a good grip, and you've got the Jumpman logo in orange. And moving on onto the midsole unit, so you've got foam midsole and more of that rubber extending towards the upper of the sneaker. And there's one little part that you can see. You've got the Air Max technology. You've got two big cushions of Air Max on the sneaker right there for you, and it does so quaintly say it's Air Max. If you look on the forefoot, the upper is a array of materials that you've used loads of combinations. So you've got your levers and you've got lots of synthetic materials with the textiles. One thing that the Jordan website says on these sneakers is that it's inspired by Jordan models in the past. Honestly, I can't see which ones, like from 1 to 37. I really can't see any. Maybe the patent lever here is like the 11, and that 23 is like the 5. That's the only thing that I can see of the sneaker. And I guess with it being kind of a sock part here at the back of the sneaker, you know, making the back half of the body, it kind of reminds me of 7, but that is a Huarache sock line. So I'm not really 100% sure. Someone can let us know in the comment section below. That would be great, and you're helping out your fellow viewers also. But going into the upper, so like I said, you've got bits of patent leather there on the forefoot area, just around the toe box. Then at the toe box, you've got a leather toe, and you've got your textile toe also. So it's the mesh underneath. Then you've got essentially a sock line one part system going around. That's all textile materials. Then you got your Jumpman logos on the medial side right there for you, and on the tongue as well, you got the Jumpman logo. Also, I wouldn't say it's the most reinforced, but the ankle support is very nicely padded right there for you. You got a pull tab on the heel, and if you were to look at the back again, you got a Jumpman logo there also right there for you. The insole itself, you got a foam insole there for you. Now again, like I said, this kind of reminds me of the Dub Zeros in regards to like the paint use and the color scheme. Check out our review. If you get a second, we've done a Dub Zero review of the Jordans, and this is the first time I'm going to try to stay loyal to, and I'm kind of excited because it's quite new, and I do like an Air Max unit, so big fan of that. So roll that footage of me trying to stay loyal to.
When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike or Jordan fit. I'm a UK size 7.5. They fit perfectly. However, I'm not a big fan of this. It feels very quite stiff right there, like at 4 feet. It feels like essentially that cage, the leather cage part is just like clamping down on my feet. Other than that, I can feel the Air Max bubble on the heel doing its job. They look all right on as well. But I'll make you guys make a decision by yourselves when it comes to these sneakers. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.